Marathon lift. Discover a new and efficient way to transport goods. With a maintenance-free drive for various lifting and transport systems, for example, scissor lift tables. Vehicle lift and parking systems. Loading systems. Movable stage systems. Marathon lift. Whatever you wish to transport, we provide the right drive system. The marathon lifting chain is the center of the application. It is integrated into a highly efficient and scalable system. Three components ensure an absolutely smooth operation, while at the same time wear is reduced to a minimum. The patented marathon lifting chain with outer plates as U-profile. The special sprocket with specifically adapted toothing. The patented deflection system. The length of the chain can be adjusted to the respective application. It is buffered inside the chain box in a space-saving way. The performance data of the drive can be customized to the specific application. On request, Wipperman Engineering can provide technical support. Marathon lift. As flexible as your requirements. Maintenance-free due to marathon technology. Fast and smooth movement. High chain rigidity ensures stability and precise positioning. Application-specific design of the chain box. Benefit from the advantages of the marathon lift for your application. For example, for various lifting systems. Up to 2 meters lifting height. Up to 1,800 kilograms lifting capacity. Minimum service life is 1 million cycles. Reasonable price-performance ratio. Powerful and scalable for your application due to individual control of several units. Marathon lift. The high performance and efficient lifting system by Wipperman.